Hello guys and welcome once again to What I Think, WIT. Today is January 4th, 2026. We just started our challenge of $100 every week. So we had in deposit before the year 2025 ended $100. So we have $100 already here, but we already put it to work. Okay, so this is just an update in the beginning of the year. I know this coming week we won't have the first full week and we want to be depositing $100 on maybe Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, so it could be ready for the next week. So we want to be 1 week behind, but we want to be putting every Wednesday our $100, okay? Because I get paid on Thursday, but I'm gonna wait the next week on Wednesday. By the time it get a release to my account, it will be the next coming week. So we want to be 1 week behind, but we want to do $100 every week. So we want to deposit $100 52 times, okay? And this is how we did it this week and what we started to buy and from our list. And remember, we're not gonna change. So welcome once again, and please don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share. And if you like it, that idea that I'm putting here, this is for new beginner. Start it from zero, total zero, and see how we wanna do just depositing, just working with $100 every week, $400 a month, and then see what happens. Okay, so here we are. This is all the news, starting all eyes on December job numbers in the first full trading weeks on 2026. All the tech, well, I don't mind too much. So we wanna be investing on Nvidia a little bit. I'm gonna show you right now what I did. I'm gonna show you what we did this week. So let's go. We wanna see our portfolio with 365. Thank you for a lot of guys. They've been just maybe stop by and check it out what it is. But by the end of 2026, you will see how we want to end it. I think we can maybe double our money here. I'm not sure. It all depends. And also maybe once here and there, gonna throw you a leap option that I've been looking. I'm looking for 5 different companies. Maybe I throw it to you guys here on YouTube. So be patient. Patient is one the name of this business. Patient is the name of this business. All right. So this is what we did this week. Okay. We put a 10 I'm gonna show you the picture, but this is the list what I have. I remember Google, Apple, BAVA, BDE, Nvidia, BTV, the International TRAV ETF, and the SCHT, SPY-G, Amazon, Tesla, and TQQQ. Okay, 12 different companies between 6 ETFs and 6 companies to grow our money. I have different portfolio, but I'm not gonna be showing you that. I'm just gonna show you this, guys. Okay, so we wanna see the picture that I have for you guys. This video is gonna be a little short, and this maybe I'm gonna do update every time that I buy in by the end of every single week. Okay? Maybe 2 videos a week, and that's it. But we bought $10 because remember $100, almost $100. We couldn't buy more than that, so this is how much we bought. $10 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is $90 here. Okay. We still have some $7 and something cash. All right. So we bought $10 on each one, and this is how we closed the first day. That was the last Friday, the first day of the trading day of 2026. But this coming week is gonna be our full week. So we want to have $100 maybe by next this coming Friday, and then we want to see what we can do. If we have nothing to buy, we're just gonna hold the cash, and then we want to look for the opportunity. We're just gonna buy whatever minus 1.1% each of these are, but so far I want to be in already. So I want to be inside because I want to be invested. I don't want to be just waiting. And remember, it's not a good the perfect time to buy. So we have to keep buying. I'm not gonna be buying, every single dip. It all depends, what the company is doing, how the market looks. So far, it's look a little ugly in the beginning, but I think it's gonna petroleum is gonna get a lot of FOMO this coming week, maybe for 1 month. But the wells, they're already in almost a year ago. So whatever the FOMO on the petroleum companies are Shell, Oxy, ExxonMobil, all the companies that they work with petroleum, they're gonna get a lot of FOMO maybe for maybe the first quarter of 2026, but all the wells they're already in a year ago. So whatever they do, or whatever you guys do, if you want to jump into the oil companies, maybe just entering in a one position that you're gonna lose money. So I'm not gonna follow FOMO this year. Just gonna start investing on these 12 companies, but this is what $100 did. So next week I'm gonna buy the other ones that I had to do. Remember, it's 12. So far we have only 9. We're missing uh, 3 more, and from there we're just gonna start putting our $100 every week. If we don't have nothing to buy, we're just gonna hold it, and we wanna dump money or whatever of these companies. Oh, they are down 1.1, or especially if they are -5%. So far, Apple give us 0.37% upward, and this one, JetQ, lost 0.86. So remember, so we're looking to buy whenever these companies lost 1.5%, and then we buy our extra $10. If they lost -5.0% and over, then we buy maybe double, $20, or if we have the cash here waiting, we'll buy $100. This is the strategy I'm gonna be using for 2026, and I hope you guys like it. And I will see you the next time. WIT close for today, and thank you. I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.